Hello guys. All right, so let's take a look at guided practice 1. That's on your worksheet there. We'll take a look and we'll do this one. So let me pull up my pen here so I can write. All right, so remember the steps that we need to know how to do is what we're going to do. So here's our first problem. Our first step is we're going to see if we have any distributive property. So if I look here, remember distributive property deals with the parentheses. And if I look in here, I have no parentheses. So I don't need to distribute. So I'm good with that one. So I'm check that one off. I'm good on my list. Okay. So I'm ready to go to the next step. What's my next step? My next step here is to combine like terms. So I want to find the terms that are alike and combine them. So if I go into this problem here, it looks like I can combine, and my partner here is getting a little restless. I can combine the 7x minus the 3x. And when I subtract the 7 from the 3x, I'm going to end up getting 4x's. And then I have a minus 8, but does that have anything to go with? No, it doesn't have anything to go with, so I'm going to put it in a different color here so that you can see it. Minus 8, and the whole total there is 24. Okay, so I'm done with that one now. I can check off my combining like terms, and I'm ready to go to the next step to solve this equation, and that's just solve the two-step equation. And let's see what we can do. Are you ready, Sam, to solve a two-step equation? I bet you are. So I'm going to draw my line down the middle. Here's my total. This is everything I want to get it to. So I'm going to add the 8. Add the 8 here. And I'm going to end up getting 4x. Right? And right, Sam? And I'm going to take 24 and I'm going to add it to 8. It looks like I'm going to get 32. Are you putting your feet up there? You. So now I have 4 times something gives me 32. And so what I need to do now is this is times. So I need to move this 4. That's my coefficient. I need to move it by division. And when I divide that, I end up getting my solution here on both sides. When I divide 32 by 4, I end up finding my x value to be 8. Okay. Now I'm not done just quite yet because I finished this one here, but notice I got 4 bullets. And what I want to do here is I want to check my answer to make sure I get it right. So I'm going to come in here and type in my Desmos calculator and pull that bad guy up here. And I'm going to insert the 8 into my equation. So my equation is 8, and I'm going to take that 8 now, right, Sam? I'm going to take that 8 here, and I'm going to check it. I can put it into this one, or I can put it into here, but I'm going to put it in the original. So everywhere I have an x, I'm going to put in 8. So I'm going to do 7 times 8 minus 3 times 8 minus 8 and see if it gives me 24.